How has the experience of the Mongol Derby changed you?
Ah, mahirap pang sabihin kasi kakabalik ko lang.
Mhm.
But it's um hmm, it's made me appreciate people more, and it's made me um rethink yung mga acts of kindness that we can give to each other. And um ngayon nagre-reflect din ako sa, bilang Pilipino, yung kultura natin of hospitality. Kasi feeling ko yung yung word na, bayanihan, na ina-apply natin sa sarili natin. Parang ngayon talagang naririnig ko lang yan pag may pag may disaster, tapos um kung hihingin ng tulong yung mga survivors or victims,
Mhm.
lalo na of natural calamities, 'di ba? Kung may mga donation drives, parang naging buzzword na lang siya,
Mhm.
is what I'm saying. Which, sana naman walang ma-offend sa sinasabi ko, but that's just my feeling na um, I think on some level, medyo nawala natin yung totoong meaning nun. And being in Mongolia, tapos experiencing their culture, experiencing yung posibilidad na kahit total stranger na nagsasakay lang ng kabayo sa lugar nila, kung lalapit ka lang sa pamilya at hihingi ng tulong, kahit na hindi ka kilala, kahit na um, sobrang liit ng bahay nila, at saka um, parang talagang gagawin nila yung kaya nila para matulong ka. Talagang natural lang para sa kanila yung tumulong sa mga fellow travelers. And I um I really hope that, that's something that I want to bring home and maintain from there.